The purpose of this 3-night trip to Kanaio was to test both OTS Osmo Seal Desalination and the Helinox Chair Zero. The 4 pouches in the OTS Osmo Seal Portable Emergency Desalination Water Purifier Survival System kit worked well, although the kit is expensive. After soaking for about 7.5 hours in the water, the yield was a little over 8 ounces of drink from each. The taste is okay, but better when diluted 1-to-1 with water. The 4 pouches in their protective packaging weighed about 10 ounces, and the produced drink weighed about 32 ounces. So pack weight carried to the camp was lightened by 22 ounces. On this trip, stove and hot coffee were sacrificed to make room for the Helinox Chair Zero. The Chair Zero's 1-pound weight makes it reasonable to take on some backpacking trips if you can tolerate cold coffee. The chair keeps your butt off the ground and is much more comfortable than sitting on a foam or inflatable sit pad. Having back support is a major improvement. Tennis balls kept the chair from sinking too far into the sand. The low 8.5-inch seat height makes rising from sitting to standing difficult. Taking inspiration from Car-Free Walk, I rode the bus to Wailea and called an Uber to take me from the bus drop to the La Perouse parking lot. There was no cell coverage at the La Perouse Bay parking lot, so no Uber, and a drizzly 9 miles from Kanaio Beach to Honolulu Coffee in Wailea. After hot coffee and a cinnamon roll, a relaxing bus back to Kahului.